When I started this bathroom renovation, I knew I wanted a product that was all about safety and hygiene, and I'm going to show it to you right now.
Okay, so what I really like about this company, this toilet in particular, it came with an extra valve. You have a 1/2-inch standard connection, which we didn't. We had a 3/8, and it came with an adapter.
Okay, so there's a foot sensor near the floor. When you walk near the toilet, the lid opens up itself, presents. It comes with a remote that has so many features. You can clean your rear, your front, there's a dryer, and then there's a flush. One of my favorite features is that everything is heated. The toilet seat and all the water that's used for cleaning you. OMG, you guys, I'm about to get 2 more. Every bathroom must have a bidet.